was like, I'm doing so much other stuff. Like, I don't have time to mess with it. But
I know. But you got to do it because once you do it, then you don't have to do anything.
Do you have it running in the background on your system? I got to get with you and like set it up.
Yeah, so I have multiple pages in my TradingView. My TradingView screen is now in ClearEdge. I don't go to tradingview.com. It's all in ClearEdge. I have my normal trading screen where it's like the Market Ninja strategy. Boom. I can just click to that page. It switches to that page and I can see like all the orders happening there. And then as many strategies as you have, you can just put at the top and go page to page to page all day long. And I just have it all open in the background. And like last night, I just had my computer on. I went to Pizza City me and Emp were there for hours. We watched that game. We hung out, had some drinks, had a pizza. And I came back and I was like, oh shit, I made money for doing all that. It was great. Yeah, it's been pretty consistent too through the nights. It likes its nighttime trades. I've noticed a lot more recently, I think, than New York session. I think it does better. It's very interesting.
Great.
But yeah, highly recommend everybody try it out. And there's tons of different strategies. You don't have to run the same ones I do. Find what works for you. You don't have to run any of them. You can have your own strategy if you want and code it, and I can just run it on ClearEdge. Either way. And if you guys have questions, feel free to DM like the Wolf Trading account here, the Jordan account, or you could, talk to the boys directly there at ClearEdge. You use that link, get in for free, and there is a Discord as well. They're super helpful in there. So you're not left high and dry. That's what I'm trying to say for everybody. Morning, Knots. Happy FOMC, baby.
Look at that bounce on gold, 20 points off that level there. It's
Getting a pop in the open here on PQ as well.
Yeah, there was a nice reversal set up down there at the bottom.
I would like to see ES back to 64, 65 if we get up there. It's those lows. Over to yesterday's low and the overnight low. It gives you a good trade, and it's the 15-minute 9 period as well. Yeah, and interesting morning though. Yeah, if we see oil just kind of stay elevated, but it doesn't continue to just move rapidly higher, I think we'll be okay for the short term hop here. We just don't want to see it north of 100. I think that starts to spook the market a bit more.
Emp forced me to change my whole phone into Spanish because he's like, dude, it's a hack and you'll learn so much quicker. And he's right. But everything is in Spanish on my phone now.
Interesting.
Absolutely everything. Oyente is listener. I didn't know that. And hablante, speaker. All right, market open. Oh, no, not yet. 2 more minutes.
2 minutes. 2 minutes.
2 minutes. Hold your horses.
Hope we get a nice little ripper candle out of the gate. We can sell into that. I don't know if we will, but just think you got to be prepared for anything today. Jeez, I mean, they absolutely killed gold. Killed it.
Whoa, OBS updated. Weird. Whoa. I can't see shit. Oh, there we go. OBS scaring me. All right. We're going to get a little long ski in the oven. Or is this fake? Is this fake Louis Vuitton?
Yeah, I'd like to see us I don't know if we can get along. I'd like to see us trade back up by 20 points. I'm not sure we're gonna get that move yet, but
dude, I want it long, but I might be swallowing those words in 10 seconds. So, see,
I'm gonna go right to 64.50.
Frank Casey, good morning.
I'm looking for.
Good morning, Spaces crew.
Morning, guys.
Bing bong.
Oh,
Good morning.
Fuck.
Yep. There's a move.
Go.
Wow. Damn it. Fucking. That was too clear. All right. So sweat previous day low. Happened in the hourly order flow. Respecting that so far. Still been a lot of heavy selling pressure, but we'll see if we try and turn things around a little bit this morning, or this is just a pop to short. Right now, it's not looking crazy strong, but that was nice little bounce into the open.
Well, now we have a gap directly above SPX and directly below SPX.
Double gap.
So if SPX breaks 66.81, there's a gap to fill, like $50 lower. Then you have the gap up over 6,700 small to like 67.15.
It makes you short 950s.
I actually shorted way above a long time ago.
All
right,
For
well.
you.
Minx was short like 2 hours ago. She's in runners.
Dude, I was just freaking making money all night. Me and Emperor out at Pizza City, dude. I was just making money on automation. It was phenomenal. Up like $1,000.
We've got a bearish bias, so let's see. I'm kind of waiting for us to have a pop, and then to take a short.
Yeah, I want a short. I'd like to get ES around 65. That's where I'm looking. NQ. I don't love the levels as clean, but let's see. Maybe right at 25K. That was a great. The 25 180 to 25 200 was the best short. That was the spot.
I'm just waiting.
Me as well.
Pop, drop, and roll. I want us to pop and then.
Drop it and roll it. Invitar a hablar.
I'm waiting here.
Right now we're in a little chop zone.
Oil pressing here towards 98, 97.75.
Did we reject that 957 again? 52. Well, let's see.
Yeah, here goes oil.
Okay.
This is gonna hold.
They're holding. Let's see.
What are we doing?
See if we get a move over 965.
Goldilocks, you giving me anything? Yeah. Crude oil is flying. Ripping.
Yeah, crude oil means business right now.
Stand on
Microsoft
business.
weak. Nvidia looks horrible. Below 181 now. Look for 179. 9 to 4. And then what do you got on the staples week, materials week, healthcare? Real estate, guess what's up? Energy, industrials, and everything else is to the downside. Yeah, nothing. Tesla don't look good. Apple off the lows, right to resistance.
Yeah, what are individuals doing?
Google's ripping.
Yeah, Google's hot.
Rocket Lab down
Meta.
5.2%. What happened? Oh shit.
Meta, big gap down. Amazon, kind of middle of the range. Broadcom,
Google.
moving up.
Google's cooking.
AMD and Netflix. Yeah, Google's hot right now.
Yeah.
Just took out, look for 312.40. Your next spot there for Google.
Cooking. Okay. Or what?
I think we push higher a little bit before we come down, but
That's my thought too. We push higher and then
get into those
All right.
970s, 980 actually. I'm not gonna trade it. I'm just gonna watch, but
Oh, that's a nice bounce. But can you clear 970s?
SPX right at 6,700, which is the 6,700 to 6,710 is a big level.
I want to go retest 25,000.
That's kind of what I was looking for, is 25K.
That makes sense here. I mean, go retest.
Yeah, I like that area. If you do want to short in that area, that's probably the spot.
Oh, you know, give or take 20,
like,
30 points around that level.
Yeah,
Stretch
990s
a
up to
bit.
like, yeah, 20s maybe.
Yeah, like volatility is still a little high, so probably not going to react perfectly off of it, but looks like I want to go grab that. Not in anything yet.
now we wait.
Come on, push it. Push it up.
Cooking. Rocket Lab, 6.4% down. Ooh,
And it was up a lot yesterday.
I know.
There was
I
news
mean-
after hours
Ah,
yesterday.
I will say-
That's what the drop is at 415, 420. I can't remember exactly what it is.
Whatever it is, I don't think it's too bad because it's literally just an inside candle on the daily, as even though we're down 6.7. Now look at that. I'm not intimidated by that at all when we're opening inside the previous day's range and just inside candles so far.
It said that it announced that it was raising another $1 billion of cash through additional share offerings.
that's not that bad. For
So
big,
that was the news after hours yesterday, after market closed.
Gotcha. Yeah, I think intraday definitely looks nasty, but overall, I don't think that's too much of an issue right now. We'll see. Keep an eye on it.
See if we can pop up a little bit higher on SPY and Qs here. Let's see, your calls are above your puts. Looks like you have some negative gamma sitting around 670.
6-2?
So admin issue waiver to Jones Act as soon as Wednesday. Today's Wednesday.
Yeah, I might be looking for a short up here.
Yeah, 65 is what I'm looking for.
Yeah, I'm gonna set a few minutes to let this play out.
Just keep waiting. Just keep waiting.
Goldilocks, do it. Goldilocks is trying.
Thank you.
Goldilocks, you gonna try and get spicy?
Come on, push us up there. Let's go. I like this area. Come on, yes. Let's go another 5-6 points. Let's go. I threw a short in Google at 312.40. I got filled right at that previous high. Little resistance. It's up about 40-50 cents. I'm just scalping it here.
Here's at 980.
Stop his break even.
I want to see if they start to reject this area. If they do, then I take a short.
Yeah, it's gonna be setting up for potential short.
Yep.
I wanted a little
Just gotta be
higher.
patient
Come on.
here.
We had that Ming Sol go off earlier, going to go long, and
Gotta hit that 25.
it was down at 24,864.
Nope. It looks like we're about to go higher. Maybe 25,026.
It's like 100 points below. Jeez.
I'm waiting for a pop over 670 on SPY, and I'm probably going to slap it short a little bit.
Yeah.
603.80 area on Qs.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Come on, NQ. Rally up there.
I know. I just wanted to get up to 25,000 quickly so we can short.
Here we go. Push it. I might get stuck here.
Every single day because I love occupation.
Just hitting that 15-minute 9 period.
Really?
NQ traded up to 990.50. That might
Yeah.
be the. That might be the spot there. I hope.
At
that's not
EMA
it, but-
15 there on the 15-minute at 24,990.53.
No, there's 40 points.
Damn it.
Yeah, it's a little upsetting.
Just didn't wick high enough. Yeah.
It's okay. If we go back up to 960 and reject, then I'm getting into a short. Because one thing I don't want is this could be a cup and handle.
Yeah. Oh man, I wanted that area. Thought ES would get a little bit better bid up there.
Yeah, I missed that
Here,
too.
Google now. That's up about $1.50 from that level. It's a good trade.
You got AMD pushing higher, Netflix pushing higher. Tesla just hit highs about 30 seconds ago. Oh, by the way, IGV's at highs. That's another thing. There's a lot of like back and forth.
All right, I covered Google there out about $1.70 profit.
Okay, watching to take a short if we reject here. Okay. I'm short. Watch it go back up because it looks like a cup and handle. Don't do it. Don't do it. Come down. Come on.
I'm still waiting.
If I get wicked out, which because I have a 70 tick stop loss, and if we come back below this 957, I'll re-enter a short.
How many points is 70 ticks? That's
It's actually a lot. I
It's like
used
16?
to do 32. Yeah, I used to do like 32 ticks, and then I moved to 50 ticks. But with the volatility lately, I had to adjust it to 70 ticks, which I do not like. Yeah, that was definitely okay. I stopped out, but
yeah, I
if
think
we
it's
go back.
16 point. Yeah, 40. Well, 4 times 10 would be.
Yeah, that was a cup and handle. That was a fucking handle.
Oh, fuck.
It's okay.
All right,
We have stop loss.
25,026.
Come on, push it. NVIDIA trying to firm up a little. Apple is green. Tesla is green. They just can't. Come on, NQ, push it. Let's go.
It should.
See that 25. I got limits all the way up to like 20. 25 all the way up to 20. Layered in.
That's okay.
Yeah, about 5, 6. We'll be back on that 67.10. That's what I want to see. On SPX, 67.10, 67.13.
Where my next zone starts.
No, come on. A little more push.
I know. I literally just told myself, I was on the Discord, I was like, watch this be another double wick short. I wanted to go a little bit higher, and they just slap it.
As soon as we get below that 960, 957, I'm going to re-enter a short.
We had a slightly little higher high, and that's not that
God,
good.
if they flip this candle red.
Yeah, we'll see. Just waiting.
Yeah, Q's went right into that resistance zone at like 603. NQ, a little different.
40 seconds until this candle closes. Damn. It's been open for 20 minutes.
There's a problem.
What a
If we
snooze
go back
fest.
up here. I don't love the short as much if we retest it.
That's a long wick.
Watching WDC and Rocket Lab for possible longs when they find a bottom here.
Okay, my hand is on the trigger for a short. If we can go below, come on.
Oh shit, WDC just ripped.
I think I want to scale into it.
Don't say it. Casey, don't say it.
Short!
I'm just waiting to see if we hold this level or if we go below. Are we gonna flush? What are we doing?
What are we doing?
It's holding, so no entry. I needed to like go below and then retest that and reject. Otherwise, it's holding that key level.
I'm living life right now, man. Till it's over.
Okay.
Till it's over.
But it's over.
Oh.
I'm short. One more fucking time.
One more time.
Oh, they're gonna hold it. Which market makers in the audience? Come on.
I think Frank's here.
Frank, can you please leave?
Gap getting a really nice bounce off that weekly
There we
trend
go. Come on,
line.
baby. Come on, baby. Give it to us.
Come on, mama.
Come on, little mama.
Drop that thing.
12 points.
Watch that be the freaking spot again. If they flush it here, I'll be so mad.
They probably will.
Flush this baby down.
I know. I just had these contracts pulled up at like 340. Now they're at 390. Ugh.
I think I'm gonna scale a few out actually.
Disgusting.
Yeah, they're all kind of weak.
Ooh, DraftKings.
Come on.
Yeah, Google rolled off to the top there.
Whenever you close that short, I was like, I honestly like to enter in right here. That was target right there with back testing the like 310 spot.
Yeah, oil's pressing it now. Over 98.
DraftKings pushing for 26 over previous day high. Walmart's getting smacked. I'm allowed to say that because Em's not here.
Yeah, Russell probably gets hit too here.
I hate everything about you.
I don't like that we've got these long wicks in the bottom though.
That's what she said. A firm is ripping. Cup and handle on the 1 minute. I mean, you could articulate a cup and handle still on the 5 minute.
Yeah, but you need oil to calm down a little bit. This oil just continues to be at the top of the range here. If you get oil to back off, you could probably could have some.
If BBIG is at bottom. BBIG.
BBIG.
I turned $300 into $10,000 in a week trading that thing. That was stupid during COVID. Now that thing's worth like
Nothing.
less than a penny.
Mm-hmm. Can it just break? Like, what are you waiting for? You know we're in a short. Give it to us and then do whatever you want later. Come on.
Nasty sell candle on Amazon coming in.
Mm-hmm. What's up? Just don't like how we're like.
AMD is flying here. New highs. Nvidia is holding up.
I missed that WDC long. It's already up like $5 or $6 here. I did not expect it to just rip right there.
Banks are actually popping up a little bit. JPM just got a stick.
Yeah, your weakest is staples. Probably boys over at Walmart are getting smoked.
Yeah, Walmart and Costco didn't have a good day yesterday, and I think they're both still
Ooh.
moving a little bit lower right now.
Oh, Walmart down 1.5%. Getting smoked.
Don't say that to him.
I know.
We're only allowed to say it because he's not here right now.
He's probably listening. He's gonna be pissed.
Probably he's gonna text me in a second, telling me to shut my dirty.
I love
little mouth.
Walmart. Love it. I just don't love the price action today.
Yeah.
I do not like I don't like Walmart. I like Target.
Oof.
Hell no.
Hell yeah.
Target is way overpriced for their shit.
This feels
Yeah,
heavy.
but it's the ambiance in there, you know?
I mean, I agree. You don't really see anyone in there flip flops in a row
19
throwing hands
points.
at 2 a.m.
Make sure you guys scale some out. Come on. I mean, I don't know. We're in a really tight range, you guys, so
It's doing
Nice.
absolutely
Possible.
nothing.
definitely got that 1-to-1 reward.
Rip it right here. Rip it.
Do not rip it.
I'm trying to go short.
Well, you should have gone short when I told you at 57.
Yeah.
No, it wasn't high enough.
Oh, yeah,
I
it was
agree.
actually. And it was actually, I had 25,000 as well, but I missed
Wasn't
that
high enough. I need it higher.
because it got to 90 only.
Also, though, like I'm looking to take some puts, so like my options would be up like 6% when Macy's like full port short, making 10,000. She's like,
Yeah.
I'm up 200 ticks. I'm like, it's only 1 5-minute candle. I'm only up like 8%.
There we go. Atta girl. Drop, 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 drop.
Drop it low, girl. Drop it low, girl.
I have this quant engine that I'm looking at, and this shit is on point. It's not even funny.
You're a quant?
No, I said I have a quant engine.
I still
the
think you're a
dashboard.
quant, though.
Maybe.
Careful. Careful.
Maybe. You never know. You never know. The key to success is never to release everything that you know.
Maybe.
0 DT. All right, I gotta do something here. I don't love the short as much here. Like I want it to go, but we need some follow through. We need it faster. Or
Yeah, so this range that we've been in since we've opened is like pretty freaking tight. Also,
I
we
think
have
it's just-
data in like a few minutes, don't we? What do we got?
Do we have anything?
Yeah, it's nothing
of
big.
significance.
Yeah. Oh, no, we
Factory
don't.
orders.
Yeah, factory order. Okay, so we do have something. Yes. All right.
Factory orders, and then you got Atlanta
I'm
Fed
stuck out on
inflation
my
expectations, which I think actually will have a little
runners.
impact, but small.
Really need to adjust my stop losses. I'm still bearish.
Yeah,
Lean
the
bear.
tape is not great, but
AMD still ripping now over previous day high and pre-market high.
Wow, WDC. I really fucked that one up. Holy shit. I'm a loser.
Whoa. Let's talk highly here.
Let's
We're all
talk.
winners.
What's that song?
You're
I'm a
not a
loser,
loser.
baby.
I'm-
So why don't you kill me? Is it like that?
Wait, which
Or
one?
did I make that up?
Hold
You
on.
I'm a
probably made it
I'm
up.
gonna look it up. Give me a second. I'm a loser, baby.
You're not a loser. You're just not a winner.
So why don't you kill me?
So why don't you kill me?
It says "Loser." The song is by Beck.
What is it? Are those the words?
Yeah, it is.
What?
I've never heard of it.
Yes, you
The
have.
U.S.
Play it.
factory orders
It was like
comes
all
in
over.
line at
Really?
110. 110.
I'll play it in a little bit.
U.S. factory orders in line 110.
Which restaurant consumer would win in a fight? Waffle House versus Burger King? Waffle House. They've been preparing for moments like that their whole life. They work at Waffle House.
They gangster.
Gangsta. Hit him with that full pour short.
Motherfuckers be sitting at the bar, drunk, talking smack. That cook will turn around with that frying pan and smack the shit out of those people. Waffle House employees do not care. It's only if the Waffle House is directly next to or across the street from a Walmart and or like 7-Eleven gas station.
Can they get like superpowers?
Yeah. You don't fuck with those people on the 2 a.m. shift.
Let's see.
AMD at the
All
top
right,
of the range.
Casey, I might be
Crazy.
spreading them here.
Man, I've been saying that all week, and I still have yet to do it. And every day continues.
I've had, yeah, these spreads have been worked well, and the 6,700 is kind of like a magnet. So
the company that you sent me, though, I can't link
Yeah.
that to Webull, though.
yeah, so the brokers that they have, I'm in there right now. Let me see who they have. Trading accounts. Yeah, the only ones you can do it with is Schwab, Tradier, Tasty Trade,
Tasty.
or Trade Station. Trade Station.
What's that for?
Option Alpha, which is a you can build like bots that do automated option strategies.
Oh yeah.
And there's like a big community that you can like they list tons of bots. You can
Okay.
people are building stuff, and then it shows like the win rates, and it's pretty cool.
Okay.
I do a little of both. I let the bots open them, and then I'll watch them, and then I can manually trade around them. But so far, so good.
The only issue with the having an iron condor right now on SPX going into FOMC is you would hope that it would burn premium, but you could see premiums honestly start to
go up.
get inflated.
Points on this one. 19. There's 20.
Very true.
So
There's
be
30.
careful
Let's
with
go.
that.
Scale out.
Yeah.
There we go, Minky.
That was good. Yeah. I know. I took some scalps, Come on.
Yeah, like one of my bots just opened up a call spread that expires tomorrow. We'll see. Yeah, you're right. Because of FOMC, we may do nothing.
Okay, there we go. Scale a little bit more out. My stop loss is in profit for the runners.
Damn, AMD dropped. Damn bitch.
Everything dropping.
Yeah.
Telling y'all we bearish
Telling y'all.
for the next few hours. And then whatever happens later happens.
Oh my god, WDC is ripping. What the fuck?
Ooh, bought it right back up.
Yeah, they did. About to get stopped out.
Yeah, oil coming off a little bit here. About 20, 30 cents off these highs, 40 cents now. It's very interesting just how correlated the market's moving to the price of oil.
Yes.
As soon as oil
Frank's-
caught that bid this morning, market got rugged right away.
Yeah, Frank's been saying that for the past couple of weeks. I mean, the correlation.
Frank's been
yeah,
dead on.
dead on is correct.
Yeah.
You have to, like, if you don't have that on your chart, you're not watching oil, you're making a mistake because you got to keep that because it's moving so much. I mean, you have a $4 or $5 move today off the lows.
That's for sure.
Could just be choppy into maybe
That's what
into
I'm
the press
saying.
conference. Yeah.
Come on, flash it to you and more. Let's go. Come on.
Although I don't think, I mean, the expectations obviously are, I think, relatively muted. I just think it's going to be more about his commentary about
Well, we've
whether
got
or
the
not
dot
they're gonna-
plot today.
dot plot, and then whether or not they're going to be able to look through the oil price spike is, not being as inflationary. At least for that they're not hiking, obviously. As I was saying this morning, like if we have higher oil and jobs continue to be a little bit on the weaker side, that is not a case for them to be hiking whatsoever. They will not hike into job weakness and high oil because it's geopolitical risk. It's not a growth factor. They're not hiking into economic growth. They would be hiking into potentially weaker growth longer out. So longer term inflation expectations would probably be lower due to weakness in the economy. So it's short term. Watch oil here. See if it's breaking a little bit off these highs. See if this will flush a little lower. You might get a little pop in the market, starting to roll slightly.
Okay, Rocket Lab, I'm long. Starter for 327.70. Was it $73 calls?
Yeah, oil fading a little bit here. It's about $1 off the highs now. Gold big bounce back off that level. We called out right when we started. It's up almost $50.
Okay, AMD getting into that 200 level here. If AMD pushes higher, it's 202, and I'm a big short at 202.
On AMD?
Yeah. Just for intraday. Nothing.
Yeah. Like a scalp? I like
Yeah.
it. I agree. Yeah, I like that. And at 202, you said?
Yeah, right around that 21 EMA on the daily.
Yeah. Yeah, and you got those prior highs from the 10th and 11th. Or I'm sorry, prior lows from like March 9th and 10th.
Yeah, we're up $5 from the low in pre-market. Straight up. Always. I love those mean reversion plays. They always work really well for me. I'm a reversal trader, so that's key for me.
Yes, indeed. Yeah, AMD's still pushing. NVIDIA off the lows. Watch NVIDIA at 183.50. Tesla trying to firm back up. Apple and Google kind of all off the bottom there. Chop, chop, chop here.
Yeah, really choppy.
Ping ponging back and forth.
We have literally not moved.
Nope. Kind of rough.
Okay. AMD still pushing higher.
Yeah, Meta over 621. Google starting to weaken up. Google got a nasty candle there. Microsoft, same.
I got short on Qs there when it lost yesterday's low again. We'll see. And they've been toying with this thing.
Very tight range. Down, new lows.
SPY looks worse, to be honest.
Yeah, Q's looks like I mean, it's going to give it up. It needs to flush it right now.
Qs, come on, Qs.
If you break here on SPX, you could just instantly drop like $8 or $9, and that's going to take you back to that 66.81. You have that big gap below. Should be new lows right here on SPY and SPX, it looks like. Yep, there it is.
Yep, what up?
Now is it a long again, and then just back up?
It's up and down all day.
And I'm still waiting to go short. I just wanted to see 670 on SPY.
The energy on Qs feels like it's going to crack about $1 or so we'll see.
Yeah. There you go. That's a nice candle.
Oh, we're gonna go down.
See if SPX just accelerates straight to it.
10 points from lows.
66.81.
Yep.
Now we're sitting on cap.
All right, I'm trimming here. If it stays under 600.9, I think we get another move down.
And we're in the gap. Now, do they want to defend it or fall $50 on SPX? Part of me wants the long
So
ES
far
right there.
defend.
Off like 34.
Ooh, 2 minutes. 20 seconds.
Man, I feel like I've kind of been, really expending a lot of energy for really small moves lately.
Yeah, it has been.
You think maybe that changes after FOMC and OPEX and all that other stuff this week? Hope so.
Yeah, I mean, I would love to say yes, but like until we get out of this range, nothing changes. We're in a brutal spot.
I added more to my Rocket Lab calls.
Yeah, what's it been since like November?
Dude, it's
Something like that.
been stuck.
I'm looking for Rocket Lab to get to around 73.
Oil still cruising to the upside.
So far, it's short the pops kind of day.
Come on, Rocket Lab. Keep going. Oh, 2 minute reversal, 3 minute reversal.
Yeah, that 600.9 on Qs. You see them step in and save it right there every time.
Mm-hmm. See if they hold this.
Any lower, I'm going to write it down, but we'll see.
Yeah. Yes, looks like it'll take out the low first if we keep dropping.
They just stepped in and saved it again. For now. All right, I'm short. That's what it is. Let's go.
Yeah.
Give me the thunder flush, baby. Let's go.
Thunder flush.
Minxie, work your magic.
I am. We've been short for a while. Scalping shorts.
Makes you been short
This
forever.
morning.
Ooh. We go Rocket Lab.
If we clear the pre-market low there, I think we see 599.1.
Rocket Lab, I'm trimming. I guess my AMD short was at that 200, so I didn't get that. But I'm in Rocket Lab, so that's a win-win.
Yeah, still hasn't taken out the low. Let's see if we can do it here. IB's about to form in 8 minutes. We should take out the low on that.
Okay, I trimmed a little more of my Rocket Lab as it's just sitting here. Just want to be a little safe, especially if the market pulls down. We hit the 90 MA and we haven't gone higher, so it's a safety thing. It's a safety thing.
Gold stop dripping. Pull back a little bit.
Okay, Rocket Lab, I see you. Let's see if you can get higher. To those 73s. Come on, girl. Come on, girl. Down 0.5% heading into FOMC currently.
Got out real quick.
Yeah, I'm going to sell all my Rocket Lab and just close it for a couple.
There we go. There we go. There's some acceleration. Here we go. A little lower. Come on. There we go. There we go.
Ooh.
Trimming.
Beautiful. All I wanted was 670 on SPY to go short.
One more little move. Come on. You got it.
28 cents away. Qs is finally starting to give it up some. That should help SPY. Where's half gap on SPX?
My friends. The good guys win.
Yes, sir.
6,660. So watch that on SPX.
Trimming some more at my target. Oh, God.
Oh, yeah, baby. We're actually getting a move today.
That quant engine didn't lie.
We're getting a move today. Minxie's quant is working. The Minxie quant is working.
That makes you quant. I wish.
Minx with the jinx. The Wicked Witch of the Midwest. Love it.
I just have connections. Y'all know.
That's it. Just let us know whenever you're pushing the nuclear button, okay?
Oh, gosh.
Further down, I've got 597-ish.
There you go, SPY. That's a nice candle.
There's 120 points. I'm testing out a different strategy, you guys, because, you know, my stop loss is always tight. So I'm testing some stuff out with like a wider stop loss with take profit like a little bit different.
778 or 726 if we really try to send this down.
I have 798.
Mm. the sniffles. Ugh.
What's good, Spaces?
Yep.
Y'all
Good
jump on the
morning.
short train?
I think it's funny
Minxie's
that
got us on the short train.
yeah, you know it's funny. The whole TWL team is on the wolf. Like just this is awesome.
Love it. We love it.
Brady, I think you and Jordy. Oh no, Jordy moved.
I know. Yeah, I know.
Mm,
Right when we meet,
yeah.
I move 3,000 miles away. I know.
Across the
It's
world.
rough. It's rough.
Yeah, but in a safe location.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Sorry, Jordy. You can come back to California for that Field of Dreams reggae show.
Yeah. Well, if it could have been.
I took full exit on these shorts. Maybe we see a little bounce. But I'm still thinking we could get down to 800. We just missed it.
Good God, that's loud. Holy cow.
Damn, all right, might be.
Just slap that thing.
Just slap that thing. I'm still sitting here, just chilling, minding my business. Ooh. MU has earnings tonight. That's going to be a big one to watch.
You.
Brady and Reese and I both caught that pretty nice short.
Let's go.
That respect trade. I heard that train coming down the coast and the boys got on.
Yeah, I've been telling myself.
So.
Okay, rejection there. 2-minute 9 EMA tap. And 3-minute. Both at 8, like 60 right there. 865. Let's see if we go lower. So again, today I may not do spreads because it's FOMC, but if the market continues to grind down here, I will do a put spread.
Burn.
You heard.
You.
Yeah, I think Rizzo's still sleeping.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
That looks like it wants lower.
Yeah, I took a short. I'm hoping to see low a day just on this little pop into the 40s.
Yeah, I'm just waiting here, being patient. I already have one trade that worked out really nice. FOMC, we still have 3.5 hours.
Yeah, we got a little while. We'll be on stream for all that.
Let's see if we get new lows. Come on.
I added one like right up at 850, still targeting LOD.
Sure. IB low hasn't been taken. Should still take out the low.
I just want to hear Stephen Hawking just sell 100,000.
Yes.
just covered some ES short right there, back testing the pre-market low on SPY. Took some puts up there as well from Monday. Looking to see if we can just kind of slow bleed now. But
Nice.
looking slow.
Ultimately, want to see NQ at that pivot point down at 798. Qs are turning just a little. Right here, pressed up against 600, 50 cents south. I think we slam it right here.
They hit pause on the market.
Yeah.
But, I mean, expected on a day like this, waiting FOMC.
All right, I just took my first trim right here on SPY puts coming down to the equal low.
Nice.
At least we got a decent morning move. Like, not bad at all.
I think Dak Prescott saying, here we go, low a day.
Yeah.
Is that new lows?
Still in at 841, my average. Still targeting 801.25 for first trim on 3 short NASDAQ. VIX is popping. Would like to see it crack over that high a day. 2387 to 88. I mean, you even got Monday's bid point down at 762.
Drop a low.
Pop it to 870 before lower. Still think we do go lower because IB data. Have not taken off low yet. Maybe they can pop it in this previous 10-minute, 5-minute candle highs. Sweep those then go lower. I don't know.
Yeah, we're not doing shit. Not doing shit.
Gold held up a bit better this morning. Didn't end up taking out any of those lows.
Absolutely nothing.
NVIDIA and Microsoft are starting to roll a little bit. I mean, Microsoft's already kind of down at this level I got at 394. And actually, I'd like to see calls off of that level, to be honest.
Yeah, here we go. Starting to crack.
Drain it.
Trying.
It's going to move down pretty quick if it breaks this area.
I could not agree more. Still in these three shorts at 841, targeting 801 to trim one.
This turned boring real quick.
Yes, it did. Now we ain't doing shit. Dun, 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 dun. Oh God. Drain it already.
Bless it.
Gold's trying to make a move now.
We are just kind of basing.
Yeah, stuck in this spot here.
Yeah. I'm good. Made my money. Not trading anymore. Not gonna FAFO.
Yeah. Crude oil still taking highs. Just made another new high day. Thank you is looking weak.
Now this is ass.
Yeah, FOMC day. Cooked.
Yep. coming up here.
Rocket Lab down 8% now today. New hour opening in 2 minutes.
Yeah, we're trying to get above the 5-minute 9 here.
Mm-hmm. Popping.
Yep.
Previous 10-minute candle highs, 15-minute candle highs. Gotta get tapped into. See if they slap this off here and try and keep this going.
Yep, pop. There's a pop. There's a pop.
No.
My break even stop hit on everything. I'm flat.
Nice.
Oh, not really. This is ass.
Yeah. It is tough.
I locked in like 500 on ES right there, and then options like barely anything.
Okay, we got to 900. Rejected that.
So I got anything I'm doing.
Literally just shorted the 5-minute 21 on futures.
Yeah, this is just garbage. I'm not focused on trading the rest of the day at all.
Yeah, I'm sitting here.
I could care less. Like, FOMC's coming now, and PAs like this. I'm good. I'm good.
I'm just sitting here. It is choppy. Yes, we do, Stephanie.
Yeah, futures is so much easier right now. Options are ass. Let's have some fun. FOMC later.
Yeah, let's see what we get. ND is just ripping still. Nice.
I'm gonna buy another Apex account for FOMC and see if I can pass it.
There you go.
What are we thinking? 100K or 150K? What do we want to do? I already have two 100s.
150.
I gotta make $9,000 on FOMC, Minxie.
I know.
Can you just trade it for me? I'll give you my credentials.
Yeah.
Okay, they're pushing it. They're pushing it. Oh, here goes AMD. Damn Dizzle. Oh, WDC red to green. MU ripping. NBIS ripping.
Nice rip. 11 o'clock Eastern at 12. We got our yield max combo that we do every Wednesday, and then we are on stream the whole rest of the day for FOMC, everybody. So hang out there. M's already been live, of course, so that's already happening. But the whole crew will be over there around 1 p.m. and we'll get FOMC started at 2. I should say the nothing burger party, but you know, watch FOMC just being nuts today.
I think FOMC is going to be pretty muted.
Yeah,
Aside from the dot plot, that's what's going to move the markets, and that comes in when. Yeah.
I basically am like sitting here and I'm just like, every FOMC is going to be lame until I see one that isn't. That's my mindset, honestly.
Mm-hmm.
Still always room to scalp around, of course, but just haven't seen those crazy reactions like the past. I will be back.
Jordy, I'm gonna leave.
No worries, Minxie.
See
Are
guys.
you coming back to hang around for FOMC?
I'm not sure. I don't know. I stopped playing around FOMC. I get temptation, so we'll see.
No worries.
I might have back on.
If you're hanging around, we'll be on stream. If you want to come hang, you don't have to show your face, of course, but just come hang with us.
All right, guys. Have a good day.
Later, Max.
Bye bye.
I'll be right back, crew.
I'm still here, but I'm not trading no more.
Chop it up, chop it up. Where's AMD at? AMD, oh no, it got rejected. Shit. It got rejected.
Alright, we back. Uh-oh.
What?
X is down.
Ooh.
I mean, spaces are obviously here, but yeah, X, like, can't really post anything, can't refresh right now. Both. What the fuck? Hello?
You.
No, it's not working.
Mr. Echo.
Nice, my computer won't work.
You're good now.
No, like my trading view. I'm cooked right now. What's happening? There we go. Right back to the same spot we opened up at.
Yep. Ass.
Building a range. Building a range.
Ass. Straight ass.
Yeah, not great. But we've had some good trading days, I feel like, the past few days.
No, there's definitely opportunities. 100%.
Not too bad. Just boring to sit through, of course.
Yeah. No, it's just boring to sit through. That's really what it is.
We'll have fun on stream now. Have the crew on there. That'll be fun. Gold's still just looking great. Forming a range as well. Looks decent off of those. Crude oil is also bouncing here. Well, weird. Got crude oil bouncing and everything else holding in the market. Decent rejection on NQ. About to hit half back of this newly created range. The 1028 low. Still have not taken out IB low today. I'm gonna sell this thing again. Back to the lows. ES take out IB low. ES took out IB. Wait. Yeah, I did. Took out IB low, but NQ did not.
Okay, you know what I see here? I see
What do you
that
got?
I see that I'm going to go to the gym.
There you go. That's a good move.
That's what I see.
I think that's a phenomenal move.
I do as well. And with that said, I will be back
Sounds good. Yeah, we'll see you later.
for the FOM digitally.
Later, babe. Have a good workout. Go pump them legs.
I'm gonna pump those legs. Oh, X is like really down right now. Holy
Yeah,
shit.
yeah, yeah.
Holy
It's
shit.
like I hope X still ends up working out for our combo at 12. Let's see. oil dive. What the fuck? Yeah, thing's up 3%, 99.13 here. It's really strong today. No reason for it to die yet. I mean, if you look at the structure there, it's really been no shorts in my opinion. Maybe we build some structure, build some further structure here to do that later though. I could see this starting to like round over on the top. If you end up breaking structure, and actually start making lower lows, lower highs, right now that'd be like under 98.50, then maybe you can start cruising down on oil, but until then, that thing's just really strong. It does look like it's having a harder time though, up at this like 99.30, 99.5 area. X is having some real issues. Gosh.
Yeah.
And Tesla doesn't look good. A nice move this morning, sold off basically since 10 o'clock, just been selling off.
Okay, yeah, I'm going to the gym. I will be back.
Perfect.